Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now just tap here on the volume, and just to unmute ringtone on your device you should swipe this dot to the left side with your finger. And also we can do it by the second way. Just first be sure that this near the volume keys for media switcher, the switcher is turned off, and now just by press your up volume button you can also unmute ringtone on your device. And also we got the third way, just press your up or down volume button, this doesn't matter, and then slide this volume panel to the up with your finger. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.